guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So we all love long lashes and lash extension is so in trend, but maintaining it is so difficult. So I personally prefer using false lashes, and they're quite easy, but I know a lot of you find it really difficult to wear these false lashes. So today I'm going to show you the do's and don'ts of false lashes. So let's start. So obviously we need false eyelashes. This is the Euro Paris false eyelashes, and these are your falsies. So guys, personally I like to apply mascara before you apply your false lashes, because after you apply your lashes and then you apply a lot of mascara, your eyelashes become really clumpy, and it becomes really fat and ugly. It doesn't look good. So this is a do. You apply your mascara first. Just one coat is more than enough. So once I've done that, I'll take my lashes. So this is a don't. Do not pluck your lashes with your fingers or your nails. It will break. So always you could use a tweezer, or you can use this. This is for applying eyelashes. So just take this, gently remove your eyelashes with the help of this. So this is how you remove the eyelash from the box. Do not pluck it with your hands or nails, and then you just do this so that the band doesn't become straight. And now you can just place this on your eyelids. And just measure how much eyelash you need. So guys, here's a don't. Do not cut your lashes from the outer corner. Always cut it from the inner corners, and always cut very little, because once you cut a lot, then you won't be able to go back. So just cut little and then we'll see. So I'm gonna cut my lashes. I think that'll be enough. I'm just gonna place it on my eyelids again and see. So I think we need to cut a little more. So here's my eyelash, and this is the glue. So you can get a black glue or a white glue. I think black's much better than the white one, because you won't have any white lines. So I'm just going to take this glue, and here's a do. Always apply it on this band, not inside or outside, only on the band part. So I'm just going to take this glue and slowly apply. So once this is done, let it dry for at least 5 seconds. Now we're going to place the lashes. So you can use a tweezer, or you can use this. I'm just gonna apply it. Always remember, you're supposed to place it on top of your eyelash, which is here, this part. So once you've placed it properly, just press it with this eyelash applicator gently. To see that it's in place. face. And do it very gently. Make sure that you don't poke your eyes with this. As I showed you, please place the lashes on your lash band, which is here, not above or below it. It will look really odd. So I'm just going to place my falsies on this lash and I will come back. So the do's and don'ts of eyelashes, false lashes is, first we did, which is a do, apply your mascara before you apply your lashes. Second one, do not pluck it out with your fingers. Always use a tweezer or a tool like this. This is the eyelash applicator. And always just bend the lash band first and then you apply it. You measure your eyelashes first. Then you see how much you need and then you cut it off. Always cut it from the end, from your outer corners, and you place it on top of your eyelash, on top of your eyelash band here. And also, if you want to apply more mascara once you've placed your lashes, you could do that, but it looks a little clumpy, so I wouldn't suggest that. And once you've done that, just apply some eyeliner and you're good to go. So guys, this is how you apply false lashes, do's and don'ts. And please comment in the section down below if you have any tips, and if you have any questions, let me know. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.